So today we will cover some more advanced Git commands, okay? Like Git branching, then merging.
Okay.
So yesterday we created a project called my project. So I'm just switching my directory to my project. Okay. See, yesterday this is I think this is our last commit index.html cat text.html. Okay, this is the first version. This is the content inside index.html. See where our head now, okay, which commit our head belongs. So uh, our head on latest commit, okay. See, this is our latest commit. So before that, I will show you a small diagram, okay, how this thing actually works using a diagram. So first we need a foundation actually, okay, a Git foundation. Like consider this is our foundation, okay. I will explain with a tree diagram. So consider this is our foundation. I mean installation of Git and all thing. Then okay,
Are you on another screen?
oh, so this is our foundation. So now we are going to create our first commit. Yesterday we do different commit, right? One or two or three commit we done. So consider if you are going to create for first commit, that would like this, okay? Consider this is our first commit. That means a version of a application. Consider like that. This is like a. I mean one of our commit. So after this, we will get what? We will get our latest application code. Okay. And like two
Can you please
things.
repeat your last few sentences because we didn't hear them clearly.
Okay, wait a second. So coming to Git, this is our Git foundation. Okay. So we are going to create our first commit. Consider this is our first commit. Okay. So all codes are here, and along with our latest commit, we will get two things. That is considered as a label. Okay. So uh, here our label is head. Now our head is pointing to the latest commit, right? So head, and one more thing, and the branch. By default, For example, I'll show you. By default, there is a branch, okay? You all know that is master branch, right? Git, we can check that git branch. See, master branch. There is only one branch, that's why it's master. Shows here master. So coming to our latest commit, okay? This is our first commit. Consider this is our first commit. So our head is pointing to our latest commit. This is called label, okay? And here we can see our branch as well. So our branch is here, master. Same thing we can see here, like using logs. Git logs. See, now I think we switched to the first version. That's why its head is here, pointing to here. You can change that thing. Git. I think we need to create one more commit, okay? Now I am changing my head to latest commit. The master, so we can see the master, that means this is the latest commit. Only master automatically switch from the latest commit, okay? For example, if you commit another change, okay, then here we can see third changes and the master switching from this commit to the latest commit. We are changing our head to master. I mean the latest commit. Copy. Paste. See, head and master locating to latest commit. Like here. Okay. So consider we are going to like done another change. Okay. So what will happen in our tree? For example, another version of application. Okay. So this is one, consider this is V1. So again, we are committing. So what will happen? Like this. This will be, consider, just I am showcasing with the alphabet. Okay. You can give a name. So this is our next, commit, another commit. So this master automatically will point into B, right? All of you.
Yes, the master will point automatically to B because it's the most recent commit.
Commit. You can check that, okay. So what we'll do, we need to add something in our existing code, ls index.html.
This is my third commit is what you'll write probably.
Right.
Third version, sorry.
Nice.
Bottom line.
I think so. Yes. HTML. Yes. Second one, right? In real world scenario, these are the codes. Okay. Keep in mind. Third commit. Just add. We'll check using status. status. See, index.html is modified. So the git knows. I mean, there is some file is modified within my project directory. Got it. If any file creating or deleting outside this my project, that is not connected to Git, okay? Because we initialize the Git inside my project. Got it. Only things happen inside the directory, my project. Now we are going to add the latest modified version of index.html file to Git using git command, git add command. Git add the file name. Or else we can use / all or put the entire directory like that. Anything we can do. Index.html. See, it's added. Now what? Yes, commit. Git commit message. Third commit. Git logs. See, the third commit. Our head changed, right? All of you can see my screen, right?
Yes, can you scroll up and show the previous command? So you had you did the git commit, third commit, but head was detached at the because you did a checkout. That's why the head got detached.
Yes. Now it's a head pointing to third. I will show you in the
Oh,
graph. Okay. See,
yeah, so that's the third.
the head changed, but the I
You
mean the
should draw a
branch.
C above. A, B, and C is the third commit.
Yes. Yeah. I mean, or else I will add one more thing, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you can just write the letter C there. Maybe it's easy for you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, this is my latest commit. So the head changed here, like now head pointing to C. Okay. Head. But the master is where? Master is here. On the previous commit. Like this. Any doubt?
So if you did git checkout for the current version, then it will be say B0C
Yes, now I mean,
C678. Then would the
currently
master and head be at the same location?
that we can use, but currently our head is on the latest version. See,
Yeah. But why did master not come to that same version? Because it was previously checked out to
right.
E30CC5F. Oh, so it's basically saying that the master branch, that like the branches have names, so you don't disturb them. You can do some of your own work, and then if it's either merge it
Yes,
or bring the
that's
master back to the same location.
right. We are going to create one more branch. So I will show you. So before that, I will add one more file here. Okay. So I mean, coming to real world scenario, there is not one file, lot of files are there. Now I am going to create one more file that is app.test like that. Mhm. Project. Okay, in our project directory, only one file here. So I'm going to create one more file. Sudo nano app.txt app.py. Okay. Now I'm checking with the status, its status. So these files are untracked files actually in git c untracked file. So there is one untracked file that is app.py. So we are going to add that file. Git add. I'm now using the directory, okay, instead of file name. See, new file, add it. So I'm going to commit. Git commit. So fourth file. Git log. Add fourth new file. Okay. ls. So here we can see two file. Okay. Now, so now I am going to switch to my latest file using checkout. Checkout. Copy, paste. Now I am checking my files. Okay. Let's. Hmm. First, second, third, fourth. I am doing one more project. Okay. Leave this project. I'm creating one more project. Good, yeah. That application name is app. CD app. Now I'm going to, what we will do first time, git init, right? So initialize empty git repository. So creating one file, sudo .html. Git status. Commit. Okay. Now I'm going to create one more file. See, now the head and master changed to second commit. I think I mean, coming to the previous repository, some issues there, I think so. That's why the master won't change. Now you can see, like, whenever we try with the new latest version, like new commit, the master actually comes with the latest version and head also. So when we changing back, I mean, switching back to old version, then we can see the only the head moves to the previous or the rollback versions. Now I am changing my head to the first commit. Okay, here the first commit is this one. Now I'll check with the two files there. Now I'm roll back using git checkout. Checkout to previous commit. paste it and see, my file is gone. You got it now, all of you. All are following, right?
Hi, Taufik, I had one
Yeah.
question.
Yes, please.
So I didn't see you do the git init. So the first time, how come when you did git status, it knew, on branch master, because you have to do git init before you do
Yes,
anything.
I might be because my machine is off, actually switched off. I missed the init. Maybe due to that, I think the master won't change, right? Right, Amol?
Yeah, I mean, can you go to the command line where you first created the new directory app, right? Then ls, right? In the app.
Here, right? This one. From here, I created app. Before that, I will create one more file name index.html. Where it is. Yes, from here.
So here, okay. So you
Here, I did nothing. I
no,
just
like above there. So if you scroll up and keep it like there, first you created a new directory called app, right?
yes, yes.
Where is that
See,
line?
this one.
Okay. Then you did the index.html.
Create
You
one
did git
file.
status here,
Yes.
and it knew that it should say git fail because there's the init command has not been run in that file yet, folder yet.
No.
Right?
I initiated the git init command when I
No, but I
am.
don't see it.
No. I
I
think
don't see it here in the command line.
that is not visible. I think because these are the old commit. I mean, see the directory. See, these are the old directory projects, and these are the old files actually. So then I move to the next new. I mean, new application directory app.
So Tawfiq,
Yes,
actually,
yes.
why are we getting confused here? Because you created one project name under app, and the same time you created one more file in the name of app.py.
Oh, sorry. That is actually a Python file .py.
Correct. That is
Yes.
Python extension, I know. It is
I
created under
mean,
the same name.
yes, you can see here before changing, checkout, I have two files in my application directory. So this is my app directory, and these are my two files. This is my first file index.html. So I added to git, then commit. So that this is my first first change or first commit. As do the same for the next file, that is app.py. This is another file. I just add the py exception. That's all.
And app.py file, you started git init. For index.html under app project, you have not started for init, I guess.
No.
Even I have not seen that
I
one.
think why we use init, it's a initialization with our current directory, working directory. Only we can do at one time. That's all. Then we can create how many files we need. We can whatever, no problem. We can create a lot of files here, and we didn't do init again and again because Git continuously monitoring this directory. Any new file there or like this, it will automatically catch the file and listed in.
So is the parent directory have a init? The parent directory of app have a init?
Yes.
Run in it already?
Yes.
Okay. The way I was taught is to whatever folder you create for a project, Git is going to start tracking all the changes in that folder.
Yes.
So don't do any Git init there first. Write stuff. Then
I will
do
show
git
you.
status and you'll see fail, but it's okay. Don't be afraid of it saying fail. Then do git init so that then the Git will start tracking things.
I will show you.
And it will track everything inside that folder unless you put it in git ignore, which is like if there's some too much data generated and you want Git to ignore that, then
Okay. So now I am going to create one more application. Okay, leave these two. Like I'm creating one more thing.
Tawfiq, I have a question now.
Yes.
Usually the master file, where it will be, I mean, it will be in the GitHub or it is in the Git only?
Here in Git, not in GitHub.
Okay. If the GitHub class
Finally,
is over,
after, for example, we, as a developer, they will create all the files and merge all the files. All are good. Then they will push the file to GitHub. Any repository they can push.
yeah, that's usually developer will put all the file like YAML file, XML file, everything will be in the GitHub, right? But the DevOps engineer will pull it from clone it from there to our local Git.
Not local actually.
Yeah, directly
Jenkins is supposed to do that for you or no?
We
Jenkins we
need
can do.
we need a repository, central repository. Most probably, company have different. They are on repository like GitHub or Git bucket, Bitbucket, similar like that. So we will, I mean, build a pipeline using a central repository like GitHub.
Okay. If the GitHub class is over,
GitHub, no. For
okay.
Jenkins, I think we do multiple pipeline class. So we integrate GitHub with the Jenkins. So coming classes for, I mean, there is a lot of coming project,
Okay.
CI/CD pipeline project. So you can see
Okay.
how to
Okay.
integrate with the GitHub.
Yeah. Okay.
Types.
Because
Okay.
Git and GitHub is interrelated, I guess, right? So as for my knowledge, so we are going to clone it from GitHub directory, GitHub to our local Git. So we work on that one.
I will show you. I will show you.
Can I
Okay.
give some clarification to
Yeah,
Mahesh?
yeah.
So
Yes.
Git was invented first as the version tracking system. Later on, somebody had the idea of let's have a website that's a hub where all repositories can be stored, right? So GitHub, Bitbucket, these are different services that use Git. So Git can be pointed to those websites to push and pull code so that people all over the planet can develop software, right? But originally it was just Git. So what we're learning here is the Git commands, and then GitHub is like a website where you can connect through the command line to that website, or you can, once you log on to that website, the GUI is a little more user friendly. So those are two separate things, GitHub and Git.
Okay.
I hope I didn't confuse you more.
No. You're not confused. Actually, what I thought. So usually there are multiple developers will be working on in a single project with a different features. So as Taufik said that there will be a master file. So they will pull it from the GitHub. It will be there in the GitHub. It's a centralized repository. This is what I know actually. I'm not so good in the GitHub. So they will pull it, they will clone it from the GitHub. They will work on that one in the local repository, that is Git. So once they've done, again they push it back to GitHub.
GitHub, yes.
Yeah. Once they get it booted back, once everything is ready, what the DevOps engineer will do, they will clone it from there. So they will start to the pipeline.
Right.
Correct
I
if
think
I'm
this
wrong.
is where it like goes through like which server it's on. Is it on the production server or is it on test server? Right. I think Jenkins automates that process.
Correct. Yeah, it can be. Initially, we'll do for the testing server, testing environment. Once everything is done, we'll deploy it to the production environment.
Right. But that is the Jenkins. The value of Jenkins is that it helps you manage that process.
Correct. In Jenkins, once the file is available like YAML file, so we're going to build it through Maven to Helm through K8. like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is Maven special for Java or used for everything?
Java.
This is the Java build tool actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I mean, whichever application that we are building, then we need to integrate corresponding build tool. If you are going to build Java pipeline, then use Java build tools like Maven.
Okay. Any other application like other C# or something and Python?
Then we need
If
to
in,
integrate with the corresponding dependencies or dependent build tool.
okay.
So here I think, yeah, see, now I created the application directory called WhatsApp. So I moved it to WhatsApp, okay, inside WhatsApp. I didn't, I mean, init this directory with the Git, okay, as of now. So I am checking with the Git status. See, fatal, not a Git repository or any of the parent directory. Got it. So first we need to
Yes.
do the Git init.
The reason I was taught to do it this way is that, can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
So the reason I was taught to do it this way, not initialize it first, is that if by accident the Git is already tracking changes in the folder and you make a subfolder in there and you again initialize Git, then Git can get confused. So that's why only in the root where the whole project is, that directory,
I will check.
make sure there is no Git there,
yes,
and then init it and then do whatever you want.
that we will check now. Okay,
That was what I was taught basically.
I am going to create one more test. CD test Git. See, in parent, this is our parent actually. Okay, we already init in our parent directory, that is WhatsApp. So again, I am
Yes.
creating
So,
one more
so Git is
directory.
tracking that. Yes.
Right.
That's correct what you did. Yeah. So the only reason I got confused is because the other one's projects I didn't see you do in it, and then Git was still tracking. That's why I got confused.
Now it's clear, right?
Maybe because of the parent directory had that.
Yes. So
Tawfiq, what is the difference between Git clone and Git pull?
Git clone we are using for copying some files. I mean, the entire project. Okay. For example, Git.
I think pull only gets the latest changes, right?
See, this is one project file. Okay, like this is a directory of the username. I mean, this is username and this is the application a repository name. Okay, so for example, you have one GitHub account, then the project belongs to you, your name, then the project name. So this is open project. Okay, this is public, so anyone can view, edit, edit and copy the application code. So coming to this application repository, these are the files and related, folders, subfolders, how many things are there. So coming to dev, there are a lot of files are there. Main.tf here. So these are the codes. Okay. So I'm just to go back to the file name. Then I need this application code, I mean Terraform code deploy, entire thing. So what will I do? I need to copy, right? I mean, I need to, for example, I need to edit some files or I need to use the entire files and folders, all the things. So what this is public application. So we can use a command git clone for cloning this all application repository. Got
Okay.
it?
Okay.
So how we will do that? Nothing. Just to come here and drop down, copy the HTTPS URL, web URL. Just to copy, and we need we just to go to our machine. So here, ls. I am creating one directory for that application, that is mkdir tf cd tf. Okay. Then git, this is a command, git clone, then the directory, I mean the URL. So what will we do? What will the command will do? Like it will download the entire file here. Type ls, see the directory here. I mean the application directory. Cd. Ensure that only we can, what are the applications visible in GitHub, we can clone. Otherwise the application will be private. We can't see that.
Okay.
Paste.
Was Git already initialized in this folder TF before you cloned it, or?
Sorry? Amol?
Before you clone it, do you have to have Git initialized in that folder or not?
No need of initialization of Git.
Okay. So if you run a Git status now, what would it say? Git is not initialized yet?
Yes.
Failure?
Git status. Both are using for different scenario. On time state origin master.
Okay, the origin is the one on the that you cloned.
Right.
And the master of that origin
or master.
Git init, the command is really required to in the Git, because
Yes, for initialization.
I've never used that one when I was working.
So these are the things in
maybe
our
you worked in folders where already Git was initialized. You just did modifications, right? If you are like starting the project, then you'd have to do the Git init. Maybe that's why.
Okay.
Then coming to git pull, it's another command to fetch and integrate changes from a remote repository. That is
Now Git, you did a Git clone, so we copied all the project. So
yes.
if we did a Git pull, so what will happen? What is the difference?
Yes, git pull we are used for like fetching and integrate changes. Okay, what are the new changes there? Then we can use git pull. So what will happen? Git fetch and git merge, two things are there. So when we run git pull, it will fetch the updated specified remote repository. Then we can use like git pull. For example, how we can say git pull. This is in master for deploy. I will check if any new branch, some other main branch over there. your branch only master. Yes. Stir. That's not happen. When we using git pull, we need the origin and the branch name. Okay. So here there is two branch, but I can't. I need only the updates from the corresponding branch. So we can pull the data from the corresponding branch. I will show you with this, some example with the scratch example that I'm looking for. So before that, I will show you one more thing like branching and merging. 3D, 3D app. So now I'm in app, okay, ls. Git log. Okay, see here my head is pointing to the version 1. In this application, I think we have two commit, right? 1 and 2. See 1 and 2 there. And master in the latest commit and head is we roll back to old commit. So that's why we can only see index.html file in our working directory. But I'm going to, changing my head to latest version, that is master. Git check out latest. Or else we can directly say the master name, okay, not copying the ID, because that is coming to master. Now you can see the head is pointing to latest version type. We can check the files as well. See, both files are here and coming to latest version. So now we are going to create one branch. Okay. So what is branch? For example, see, this is our foundation. Okay. So this is the tree. So this is our first commit. Okay. both head and like this is our branch, that is master, and this is our head. This is for the first commit. But now we done one more commit, right? The second commit. So the head comes here. Same way the master as well here. Okay, moving from here to here. Now this it's pointing not here, the first commit. This is the first one and this is the second one. So for example, this is a default main branch, okay, that is master. Okay, so now we are in the second commit and head also in second commit. So coming to real world example, like there is one main project file, right? So master or main, and there are a lot of developers there. They are working different modules. So what will they do? They will take a branch of this latest commit or any commit. Okay, so that would be the main application source code. So they will take one branch. So this is a main our commit, and from the main one they will take a branch and create a branch name. Any name we can give one, like features. So adding the features on anything like that. So they will work on their own branch, not integrating, not work on the main source code or anything like that. So that's one of the feature. One of the feature in Git, using we can create different branch, and finally we can merge the branch that we created with the master or main source code. Got it? So that how we take branch, creating branch, symbol git branch. Git branch is only showcasing which branch that we are currently working. So in our case, only one branch, that is master, and we are currently working on the master. So the same command, then the name of our branch, features. Any name we can give, okay, as per the requirement. So now one more branch created. See, features. But currently we are working in where? Master. Okay. So ls. So coming to master, we have two files, but we didn't move to features. So how to jump into features branch? Git checkout. Same command. Then the brand name. Features. See, switch to branch features. See, now we are in feature branch. All files we can see, that's no problem. So now we are going to edit something to commit in feature branch, okay? That is, we can edit index.html, sudo index.html. Then using git status. Going to add directory name, that would be fine. Now we're going to commit, then the message, new branch, added. Any name we can give, okay? Now git log. See, you can see New feature added. See, feature. Now the master won't change. Got it. Only feature, because now we are working with the feature and head also in our feature. Got it. All of you. Any doubt?
Could you show that one more time, please? Just scroll up the command line, and so we see all the commands.
From here, right? I mean, creation of new branch.
Yes.
So yeah. So the requirement is to create one new branch for working some developers, okay, or they will create their own branch and taking the code and edit their own bugs. So what we'll do, you need to create a new branch. So using git branch, yes, here we created the new branch name. So git branch, the name of the new branch, features. So the features added here. So now we are after creation of new branch, we need to jump into the new branch. So we need to check out from the existing branch to feature branch. So git checkout the new branch name. Now we successfully switched to branch features. See here we can see the green and the asterisk pointing to features. Then what we'll do, we edit the existing file index.html and update some codes or like that. Then we added the existing file to the new branch features, then commit. So whenever we commit,
So wherever head is, that's where your changes are happening.
Head change
Right.
from the second version to new branch. So this is our new branch. So the head
Only have
here,
to know where your head is. That's way.
yes,
That's
the head comes in
that
feature
way you
branch.
don't get lost inside Git.
Right. And the branch here, the branch name is feature. So the master is still in the second commit. So this is a feature is our new branch. Got it. I mean, this is our latest branch feature.
Yes.
And commit happened here. So head here also here, and the label is feature. That is our branch name. Here our branch name is master, the default one. Got it. Any doubt?
Yeah, got it.
Index.html. No branch. These are the codes in our index.html, new file, and no branch added. So now I am going back, or yes. So now I'm didn't going back. Okay, now we already created a feature. Okay, that's one of our new branch. So for example, developers create new branch and they work on there. They will do different commit there, no problem. But whenever they get a successful commit, okay, then what will they do means they need to merge the successful code or the their own code to master branch, okay, or the main branch. So that there we will use git merge for merging the features to master. Got it? Clear or confused?
Some conflicts, which will show you what you want, right?
I will show you.
If there is a clash in some files,
No.
it cannot be both.
For example, this is our main source code, okay? So in between, we will create different commit there. So this is a version 1, this is a version 2, this is a source code, like a line of code, okay? Like This is a these are different versions. This is v1, this is 2, 3, like that. Okay, so this is in master branch. Consider master. So we didn't take the code from the main source code, so that we will create branch, right? So we need to update one more feature, that is 4. So before that, we will take the entire code from here. So this is consider taking a branch, give it a name like features. Okay, so here what we'll do, we will take commit 1. This is a feature, okay, not affecting in our main source code. Like another commit here happen here. So this commit will successful, or we will get the correct output. So what we'll do, we need to merge this to the existing code, right? So this process actually we are now doing creation of new branch, that is features. Now we are going to merge this file to the main source code. So git. So that what we'll do, we need to switch to the master. Okay. So git checkout master. Then using git merge, then the like branch name, which branch then we need to merge to master. So in our case, features.
Feature.
See, that is merged. And different type of merge there. Okay, this is one of the merge fast forward. Some other merges there. This is a default common one. So as per the requirement, I mean, developers requirement, they will do corresponding merge type.
If the master branch has changed since features was branched off, then when you do a merge, it will not be fast forward. It might show you where you have to resolve conflicts in the code. And then you can accept something and reject something and modify it. And so it creates a new commit there. But here it's just fast forward. It's as if it was a straight line anyways.
Where?
So right now, the way the fast forward merge will happen when it's almost like it was a straight line on the master branch anyway. No changes happened on the master branch when feature was branched off. Right?
Yes,
so
yes.
it's effectively like a line of commits.
Yes, yes.
But if somebody still, a lot of people are working on it. Some people are still making new commits on the master branch while you're working on the feature branch. Then it cannot be a fast forward merge. It has to be a merge that somebody who knows the code base well will decide what
Right.
to take and reject. And
they have
so
their own, I mean, developers
create a new
managers there. So as per the requirement, they will do corresponding merge type.
right.
So anyone have any doubt regarding?
Tawfiq, I have some doubt. When it comes to the branching criteria, what is the role of DevOps engineer here? Because usually in the code level, developers will work on that one. If the DevOps engineer will only create the branching and will give it to developer, or what? How?
No. Mahesh, like these are the parts of actually, these are the part of developers, not DevOps. But we need to learn these key terms like like branching, merging, pushing, all the things. That's why I include the Git section here. So because a lot of the JDs for DevOps JDs, they are mentioned Git as advantages or Git familiarity, like that. So I mean, some questions are based on that for for example, some scenario based, or they will ask some Git commands, why we are using that like that in interviews.
What
Otherwise,
is JD?
a job description.
Job description.
Okay. Yeah.
So that's why I include Git in here. Purely this is a dev part actually. But we need to know the dev part as well, right? Because that's our base actually in coming
Yes.
to software development. All good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
Any other doubt? Tejaswini, Amol?
No, got it.
Then we can wind up, right? Today's section. I will share the links. And what about the Ansible lab? Amol?
Yeah, okay. Done.
Completed.
Yeah.
Terraform?
Yeah.
All are good, right?
Yeah.
Terraform, I think still we need to work on that other functions, I guess, like Lambda, S3, DynamoDB.
Yes,
That
that
is not
will.
completed.
Yes. What about yesterday's lab? Yesterday we already completed, right?
Yeah, that the creation of instance for automation we have completed, and we have done that one as well.
Okay, fine. Amol? Same, right?
Yeah. Just deleted everything after doing so.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, that is important.
Yeah, otherwise you get a crazy bill.
Correct, bro.
Yes, I think Tejaswini go through the videos, like, right? Not
Yeah,
start
I'm
up the
going
lab.
through those. Yeah, I'm going through those videos.
Okay, fine. Then we can wind up, right? Today's section. I need to prepare for the CI/CD that is for Kubernetes. I'm planning to do that this week, tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, then bye. Bye all.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.